Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, and much more. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine. This is a LeBlond Makino. It's a very sought-after machine. It's got the Regal Servo shift. One of the most important options on this machine is the way that it functions, basically, is about changing your gear speeds. Rather than having 5 or 6 different knobs, you have to do A and the color and different letters and everything. All you're going to do is you're going to turn this. It has a hydraulic unit in here that goes ahead, changes your gears, and you'll be able to go to the next speed really quickly. We'll go ahead and demonstrate that. You're going to have 2 different areas that you can turn the machine on. We'll go right here. You can see right now we're at 937 RPM. Now just so you can hear the machine, I have a mic on right here on my chest. You can hear the machine, how quiet it is. I can talk very, very quietly. It's in really nice condition, sounds really good. No chatter on the head here. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. And what I'll do is now I'm going to change this gear, and you're going to hear a different motion. It's inside here. It's going to be changing the gears. And then we'll be able to go ahead and advance to the next step. Get this in the center position here. Now we're running at 494. We'll go ahead and do that one more time. Lower it down even slower. Go again here. The gear's changing. Got to leave it for just a few more seconds when it's changing. That'll put it into the gear position. There you can see the slow speed. Now another feature on here, you'll see now we got threading going on. We have the lead screw moving. We'll go ahead and put this into threading mode. It'll catch on there, and now you can see the longitudinal threading. Go ahead and stop that, and I'll show you. You also notice the feed here is moving. We'll put this in the cross feed. Notice here your cross feed moving. And the little trick with this, you go up, in, and up again, and now we have our longitudinal feed. One other nice little option right here, you stop that, put this down, and now you have it in reverse. This machine has a brand new quick change tool post here, as well as all the different holders. Take a look at the photos and you can see they're all brand new set, including a nice little knurling tool. The machine's available and ready to go. If you're interested, please give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.